Hey everybody, this is Adam.
And Mary the cow.
And Mary the cow. Mary agreed to come on today and teach me a little bit about jokes because I'm not really good. I have about 3 good cow jokes, and I just really need some help on the other ones.
All right, let's move it and try to see what you got.
Okay, here we go. What do you call a cow that has no legs?
That's easy. Ground beef.
Oh, you've already heard that one, ground beef. Okay. Do cows like going to plays?
Everybody knows that. We only like to see musicals.
Oh, you heard that one too. Okay, well, I have one more. Like, where do cows get their medicine?
The pharmacy.
Oh, boy. Yeah, you've heard all my jokes. You can tell I need some help. I'm not really good at these cow jokes.
Well, let me try this one for you. Do we, cows really do well in earthquakes?
No, probably not.
Course not. We get our milkshake from it.
Oh, cow, milkshake. Yeah, that's a good one.
How about, should cows ever jump over a wire fence?
No. Don't think you should.
Yeah, you shouldn't. It'll be utter destruction.
Utter. Oh, that's utterly funny.
Oh, that's not really funny.
Oh, okay. Well, I was just trying. How about any more that you got?
Oh, I got a good one without math.
About math. I really like math. Let's go.
Are cows good at math?
Well, I heard they're smart.
But are cows good at math?
I don't know. I'd say cows are good at math.
Nope, because we always have to use a calculator.
Oh boy, calculator. I can tell I need some help. I'm just not quite good at this joke telling, but I'm really glad we came on. Thanks for listening to a couple cow jokes today.
Okay, it's time for you to move along.
Oh boy, I think it is time for me to move it. Bye, kids. Hope you have a great day.
Bye.